Hi, so welcome to our the Daily Dose channel. In today's video, we are going to replace the battery of laptop G7 from Dell. Okay, so if you have the same laptop like this one, you can follow the video uh, for replacing the battery. So let's start it. First of all, we will need to open the screws, all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 screws you will need to open. Okay, in my case they are already opened, so that we can quickly move on to the battery section. Like this. As you can see, this is the inside part of the laptop. Now we will need the battery. This is the battery, original, brand new ordered. So let's take it out. So this is the battery, XRGXX, or the 1F22N. These two batteries can be put in this laptop. XRGXX model of the battery is longer one and gives more backup, while 1F22N gives a little less backup than the bigger battery. So let's put this battery here. Put the screws. Like this. Now attach the battery connector like this. Now we are done with the replacement of the battery. Just put back the back cover. It's very easy, you can do it yourself. Just put back the back cover like this, and then let's check this. The battery is charging or not. Like this. Turn this on. The charger is smaller than it requires, so maybe it will give warning for the charger. No, it didn't. So let's see. Yes, the battery is charging. 1% already charged, as you can see. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. And if this video helps you, then subscribe and give comment, so that we can know that our videos are giving benefit to others. Thank you again for watching, and bye bye.